As you just saw, these transitions can turn simple clips into cinematic moments. Now let's open Filmora and I'll show you step by step how to create these effects. First is film burn. I have these two clips here and the cut between them is quite quick. So here I will add a creative and cinematic transition. Go to the transition section and search for film burn light. All of them are good in their own way, but according to me this one will be perfect. Simply drag and drop it between the clips and then adjust the duration according to your requirement. You can also add suitable sound effects to take this transition to the next level. As you can see, it's such a cool effect which is perfect for cinematic travel videos. Second is paper flattening. Here again I have two clips. That's why I applied the transition separately to keep the video simple. Go to the transition section and search for paper flattening. These are very creative paper transitions. For now, we will focus on the first and second ones. I will drag this one. As you can see, just by dragging and dropping, we get such a cool effect without using any overlay or masking. Third is grunge paper. Now I have these different clips here. Go to transitions and search for new grunge. You can choose any of these, but I will select this one. Just adjust the duration and it's done. Fourth is Dreamy slide. Go to transitions and search for Dreamy film. Again, you can select any of these, but I will select the first one. Fifth is 3D box flip. I know this is a slightly old style transition, but it can still be useful. Go to the transition section and click on the 3D category. Then simply drag box flip one. You can also try other options because there are many amazing 3D transition presets available here. The bonus one is flash lamp. This transition is perfect for travel videos and vlogs. Search for flash lamp, simply drag the first one and adjust the duration. The reason this transition works well is that sometimes two completely different clips don't join seamlessly and hard cuts become visible. Applying this transition helps hide those hard cuts. Well, I hope you liked some of these transitions. If you want the next part where we create more advanced transitions manually, make sure to let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel.